Hi, my name is Dan, and in the last videos we had a look at the if statement and the conditional operators, the ternary operation. This time we're gonna have a look at another condition. It is the switch statement. So let's have a look and go right into it. Okay, so what I planned is that we're gonna use the switch statement to look which month it is. So for that we're gonna create a variable about the month, and we're gonna use the date object for that. New date, and then month is equal, just do it like that, month dot get month. And now if we console log that, we get 6. So now we are July, so it should be 7 actually, but the way get month works is that it starts from 0. It first index is 0. It's like an array. So January is 0 and December will be 11. So that is get month works like that. Okay, so now let's have a look how we're gonna do that with the conditions. So with the if statement we would say if month is equal to 0, console log January. If month is equal to 1, console log February. With the switch statement is a bit different. So the first thing what we're gonna do already the switch, and then we're gonna put in what we're gonna use to look the conditions. In this case it will be the month. Okay, and then we open our brackets. So now what we're gonna have to do is, like with the if statement, it was if month is equal to or is a certain thing, then now with the switch it is the case. So you have a case, and then what is the case? In this case, there's a lot of cases. In this case it's 0, and then you close it with colons, and then after you do your console log normal, and we say January. Now what you're gonna have to do now is, okay, I'll show you something. We said we are 6. Okay, so I put it to 6 now, and then we're gonna do another case, case 7, and then we say log, and it's August. So now if we do this now, you will see we have January, August. So there's something what doesn't work quite right. So what you have to do is that actually after each case you have to break it. So now if you break, you tell the switch case, the switch conditional checker, that if the case is equal to 6, you do this. If you did that, you break, you go out, and you not continue to check, or you not continue to console log, because what he does is actually he looks, he says okay, case, okay, yes, 6, perfect, so I console log this, there's no break, so he continues, and then goes, oh, here's another console log, I have to log this as well, and then he logs that as well. So for that we don't have to forget the break here. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna write down all the months, and then I'll see you when I finish that. Okay, so now I arrived at November. I could just put case 11 and say December, but there's something with the switch statements, that is that we have a possibility in the end, the last one, to put a default, for example. So how we're gonna do that is that we do, so just default a colon, and then after we just put our console log, and then in this case we say December. So what it will do, that it will check everything, and in the end, if nothing was correct, then we will do the last one. So we will do put the default one. Okay, so now like you see, I put all the months there, we have all the breaks. Now if I save that and I run the code, there we go, we have July. Okay, that was a switch statement. I hope you got something from that, you learned a bit of something. That would be really cool. Anyway, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, I post videos every Tuesday and Friday at 3 p.m. UK time, and yeah, so I guess I see you in the next video. Thanks, see ya.